Hey, good morning. Friday. I didn't take any trades yesterday. Had to travel, so didn't have time to get on. So here we are on a Friday. The high, would this be considered the low? So it's 6:30. Yeah, I'll use this as the low here because the overnight session, so 6 p.m. yeah, that will do it. So it looks like we do have a downtrend though, so let's take a look. That's actually a pretty good fit. Okay, let's see, zoom into the near trend. Do have I actually like this one right here better, matches with the overall trend. We'll go with that. So it looks like there's a rejection here. First correction, second correction, and then third correction. It tick up, reject that at the EMA. Too congested. I'm going to stay out. It is a range, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark that range, wait for something to break out and retest before we determine what we're going to do. Yeah, so it's a range of about 3 points. So we should expect a retest of the EMA somewhere, starting somewhere here. Not EMA, but the range. So we broke out of it. Should come back, and then we'll decide whether or not it's going to continue to shoot up or it's going to come back to this level. So we actually have a renew uptrend. So 1, 2. And then we got a fake right here, and then it went straight up. Okay, is that the overnight low? Yeah, so this is the overnight low. I needed to retest this area one more time. This channel right here is not tested yet, so I can't just go off of that. We are far away from the EMA though, and we are reaching this, so we got two things. So far away from EMA, not congested, and it's approaching. I would like it to touch this right here or retest that before I go for it. So this bar ticks up, came back down, tick right here. This is the second leg right here, and then pops right back up. I missed it, but when it pulls back, I was able to get in. Actually, got 4 contracts there. So right now, this is a pretty good. Reject that EMA, and then this right here is a particular trap. When it falls down, there you go. We just got our. These are my favorite type of play where one tick comes down to form the second entry and pops back up. So right now we're basically standing near the overnight low. So once we pop over that, we should be able to continue to go off. We were fortunate enough where it pulls back and we were able to get in. But I'm going to lock in my profit for that one. It got to where we set the runner, but didn't quite get there. Now this is at this position here right now. I am comfortable with taking a short position because now we test here, now we're at the channel, and we're also at the overnight high and low to act as the resistance. So, and far enough from the EMA, clearly two leg, clearly a second entry. right? So right now, if there's a short opportunity with the right pattern and right setup, I would go for it. So right now we just have the runner that we have to worry about. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. I actually feel like, yeah, I'm gonna leave it there, right at where our channel is. So let's lock it in. So that runner would be a 3-point runner.
Target filled.
There you go. Okay, so now we're gonna wait. Yep, so it did break over the channel.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Because the reason I'm not too aggressive is that I think we have such a great momentum going up, so I think we're gonna start going back to the upside, but it's okay. Great trade still. Wow, just the day that we decided not to be too aggressive with the runner, we missed that run up, and then we missed this run up. This one's not too bad, right? We got out right here. If we wait until this bar closes, then we would be right here, so not that much more. But this one here continue to run, so it would be right here. We would have a little more. Oh well. Here we have a second entry long here, right after this tick and this tick here, but see how we quickly came down, rejected at EMA. We're so close to the EMA, so if we come in right here, it has to come back to what the EMA is. We might get a rejection before that, so it's too big of a risk. I'm not going to take it. And we have no support in sight. There's a bunch of support right here, but nothing where we're at right now. Yeah, sure. Today, with decent runners, this is the only runner where we wait until things close. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I got some work to do, but with 3 for 3, 554.30, pretty good. Something's not right with this number here because at the beginning we messed up a bunch of things. We got 15 contracts, so we traded a total of 30. So this number here needs to be a little higher. That's why these things doesn't match up. But we know that we net that much. Okay, we're at about 46% there to our goal. Okay, all right. See ya. Have a good weekend.